All right, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom's not here. We typically cook on Sunday. It's a Saturday evening, and my wife felt like having some Fettuccini Alfredo. So I went ahead and whipped up this authentic version of Fettuccini Alfredo. It only has 4 ingredients, well, 5 if you want to add the water. Anyway, it's so simple and satisfying, you'll absolutely love it. Anyway, let's get cooking. All right, first thing we're gonna do is add a little salt to our water here and wait for it to come to a boil. You just wanna put about 2 tablespoons in. And then I've got some Reggiano Parmesan cheese here we're gonna go ahead and grate up. I like to use freshly grated cheese because when you buy that cheese that's already grated in the container, it loses a lot of its freshness. So I like to go ahead and shred it myself. I'm gonna start breaking this up. All right. And add our pasta to the bowl of water. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my butter to the dish. This is a European butter. It's one of the best on the market. It's Kerrygold, and a more creamier and gives it a more silkier texture. I'm just going to go ahead and use about a half a stick. Let's get that right in the middle there. It's all technique. This is a very, very simple dish. All right, pasta's almost ready. Yeah, Fettuccine Alfredo. This is the authentic version. It actually is a recipe that comes out of a restaurant in Rome called Alfredo's Restaurant, of course. But this is the original recipe. The American version typically has cream in it, and we already have a few videos with that version. But this is the authentic recipe right here, and it's very, very simple to prepare. All right, fettuccine's about ready. All right, fettuccine's all ready. Set it off. And this is about 9 ounces of raw fettuccine. Feeds about two hungry people, but 2-3 people. Now we're gonna go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of this pasta water. And go ahead and put your Parmesan cheese right on top. We're going to go ahead and mix this up until it comes out in a smooth consistency. It's all in the technique. Oh, look at that. Nice and creamy. All right, let's give it the taste test. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, yes. Wonderful. All right, let's test it out here. Absolutely delicious. You're gonna love this recipe, folks. Anyway, I'll have the link in the description to where the recipe is located on our website. And check out our website. We have Brooklyn Brothers merch, we have aprons, we have t-shirts, we have cutting boards, we have all kinds of stuff on there. Anyway, we appreciate the subscribers, and we'll catch you guys next time.